Yet another car. Well, we got some goodies. It's been a long time coming to get these. So we're gonna do a bit of a quick unboxing video and show you all the goodness we've got. It's quite exciting. Been waiting a while for these to come from Japan. So, he just had to, didn't he? Anyway, go get your box of goodies.
Right.
Gazza's also chucked these new wheels on. Yep, nice. God damn it. God damn Subies. Get yourself a knife. So, yeah, we got these two of these big boxes from Japan. One for each car. Let's see what's inside.
COVID might be in here.
Well packaged, eh? Ooh, what is this? Reverse knuckle mutter. Fucking spot on packaging.
Some green bits. What do we have here?
Well, that looks like a lower control arm.
And as you can see,
And it also looks
50 mil longer.
Yeah, it does look 50 mil longer. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. So, we've got this new angle setup from Team Reverse. It's going to take a while to unpackage it all. But what's that? Tie rod ends.
3.5 extended tie rod. There's a 24 kilo front spring.
Those are solid boys.
And we're a bit worried it's going to blow the top of our strip towers out. Because they're solid. What are we running at the moment? Like 8s?
Nah, I've got like 16s in mine. A lot of Japanese drifters tend to run real stiff springs in the front of JZXs. 22 to 24 kg seems to be the go, so we're gonna give it a crack. But yeah, all this is just gonna completely change the way these cars drive.
These are the real game
That
changers.
is the secret sauce there. The knuckles. Reverse knuckle.
So I think the main thing about these knuckles is you don't have to relocate your steering rack.
Yeah, that's a big thing.
So that was a real big thing for us because we just can't bother doing that.
Yeah.
Like, this is simple, it's easy.
The angle you get from this kit is unbelievable. Like, it's wise fab for JZXs, but half the price, I guess. And yeah, the fact that you don't have to relocate your steering rack is just crazy. Here we have front tension rods, skid racing.
Nice and solid. Those aren't going to break anytime soon, and they got heaps of clearance for the wheel.
So yeah, that was a big problem we're having, especially with the big wheels we run, is we were hitting factory caster arms, huge clearance and adjustable, so we can dial in our caster properly now.
It's going to make life a whole lot easier.
Yep, this is the package. So yeah, if you don't know who Team Reverse are, you're sleeping. They do all sorts. They do Sylvias, Skylines, knuckle setup. Been wanting this setup for a while now. It's finally happened, so now to put it all in, and the next time we drive with this setup, it's just going to be life-changing. Do you reckon there's going to be backies?
It better be. If I ain't backing it in, I'm taking it out.
If we're not doing backies with this setup, I'm quitting drifting.
If you can't do backies with this stuff, then why are you drifting?
There's something wrong with you, not the setup.
Exactly.
But yeah, I can't wait to chuck them in, because once you see them in and how much angle it gives, it's unreal. I was actually impatient and I already unboxed all mine. But anyway, I guess we jack them up and make a start. There's a whole lot of stuff we've got to do. Don't know when the next event will be. We're supposed to go the other week, but just didn't have time to do it all. I've got to fit all my over fenders, cut all this. Gaz has done quite a bit. His car's coming along.
Still got to fit all the bumpers properly, front and rear. Make a bit of a firewall in the back here on the parcel tray. It's just tedious stuff.
Yeah, especially this time of the year. It's summer, you just no energy, cannot be bothered, and then trying to record it is like 10 times harder. Like, if you don't have to record, it's easy, you just slowly plot away at it, but recording, you got to plan it all out, so you can't do stuff until the camera's there. And but he's mounted his boot. He's got all these quick releases on his boot, so 4 of those pop off. got all these bits here. So yeah, I guess dig into it. We're into it. Oh, boy. Just taking everything out, because basically everything's getting changed. So I've got these adjustable inners here. I'm no longer going to need those because we've got the extended outer tie rods, so got to get rid of all that as well. Uncle Errol and his forged STI, linked up as he says. Are you linked up?
No.
Or are you stocky sewed up?
I'm stocked up.
Stocked up.
Well.
What? Yes. My brake line is split. Yes, my tyre has been rubbing.
Keen boy, keen.
I don't give a whack.
Jesus, boy.
Hit the arm. You got it there, Papa Tuanaku?
Uncle Errol's jamming.
Errol's jamming.
And there you have it.
Just like that, the whole shebang.
What you reckon about that?
Well, that is a JZX 110 arm, custom modified with a bit of grinding, and it still hit. And that's why we're getting the aftermarket ones.
You cut it in the wrong spot, that's why. Right, do the top bolts, my man.
Shock.
Yup.
Utter.
What are they?
All I've got to say is 88. What you got there? Some elephants. You're gonna end up on the deck.
I'm doing. What?
Why you got that on? It's summer.
Raining in summertime,
Oh,
and it was a bit cold, so thought I'd try out my new jersey I got for Christmas.
utter.
Oh, shoot my hand. A quick shotgun.
Everyone gets. You won't. You won't.
Go on. Here. No. Screwdriver.
Pliers. Go on. Utter. Oh, what? It's still not tight. Look where I'm holding it.
What's the matter?
You want to snap that bolt?
No! It's not a bloody rocket cover bolt.
Right, put it in.
Well, it's gonna come loose now.
It was loose to begin with.
Well,
So it's way better than what it was.
NE Loctite.
Then my Loctite cross-thread it.
Are we good? Through there first, eh? Wrinkling me green arms.
Nah, your arms are skin coloured.
Wait. Oh well, had enough already. Smoko. Utter.
True, my boy.
So these knuckles are so hectic that they hit the dust shield. So I've just taken it off, and we're just gonna cut it instead of taking the whole hub off. It's gonna be easiest. Cut it, whip it off, good to go again. Utter.
Reckon these will cut it.
No cap.
No cap.
Actually bugging. Jesus boy. Bit of grinder action.
Bit of grind action.
And I think I'm gonna have to get new brake lines, eh? Because those are clapped. Wait.
You need that for a walk.
Oh, okay. Got it off. It's a stone collector. Throw it in the woods. See? Stone collector. So I've got the knuckle on now. And music too loud. That's basically how much lock it's gonna have. Like, no cap. You guys think I'm capping, eh? In the meantime, Gaz is putting the new springs in. The 24 kiggers, and I had 18 before.
They're big rigs.
Even fit. Oh yes. Other.
Just.
Usually you'd probably take the top hat off to do it, but it's just as easy. Well, it was just as easy just to pull the bottom of the shock off.
Do you want them just captive?
Just captive, my man. Gonna have to reset the height and everything anyways.
Oh. That's a game, man.
You like those elephants, eh? Well, it turns out I didn't record much of the knuckles and lower arms, but she's all complete. And it's looking bloody busty. Look at that poke, holy shit. She's looking wild. Some serious lock there. But after putting the new springs in, it's far too low, so I'm gonna have to adjust it. I can't even turn the wheel at the moment. Otherwise I'd show you how much lock it's got. I'll quickly take this bumper off and give you a look. I'll try to turn the wheel. So that's about it there. Keep in mind it hasn't had alignment or anything, so the toe and everything's quite far out. It's probably might be a bit more. Very nice bit of kit in there, and no longer hitting that tension arm. These wheels are not going to work. I'm going to have to get different front wheels, unfortunately. Going to have to put the Blitz to rest. I might just run them on the rear because I'm about to start cutting for the over fenders here. I'll do that in the next video because I think this one's quite long. I don't know how people judge how long their video is to start a new one, because I always get lost and ends up being way too long or way too short. But anyway, Gaz is mounting his stuff still. He's got these push locks everywhere on his rear bumper. So 2 each side, push them in, boom, bumper comes off instantly.
Keeps good, easy as.
It's looking quite nice actually.
Just goes like that. Oh, I just got to put a second one in just to
Pull it right in.
nicer. So I'll do the same with the front bumpers as well.
And the boot obviously has those same push locks. Very good, very good. Yeah, I've probably missed a bit, but that's going to wrap up this video, and I'll see you in the next one where we start cutting up the chaser.